class 5 student. Now here I am going to try to solve some question from exercise 1.2. So watch very carefully and try to understand it. In the first question, the question asks you mark the period with commas and find the place value of the color digit. So you have to do two tasks. First you have to arrange the following number in proper format, that is you have to put comma symbol in this number, and the second one is you have to find the place value of the red color digit, that is 3 and 5. So if you learn the place value chart, it will be very easy for you to solve this particular question. What we have to do first? First we have to arrange the following digit, that is 3, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2. How we can arrange? We know that first 3 digits is always pair, that is it comes under one place, and after these 2 digits comes pair with together. After these 2 digits pair with together, that is the first 3 digits come under which place? Ones place. Then the next seconds comes under which place? Thousand place. And the next 2 digits comes under which place? Lakh place. Okay. This is the chart, place value chart, from which you can arrange the following number in proper format. After you arranging the following format, you have solved the first part of the question, that is you have arranged the following digit in proper format. Now we have to going to solve the face value of the color digit, that is 3 and 5. How you can find the face value? You have to place the following digit according to its place, that is to its call. You need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay, it is called 10,000, it is lakh, it is called 10 lakh. So the question asks to find the face value of 3. So answer will be face value of 3 is equal to, first we have to write down the digit itself and its place value, that is we multiply with its place. And how many digits we should put? We should count from right onward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is the place value number of 3. That is 3 comes in 10 lakh place. You can easily count it. 1s, 10s, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. Okay, always multiply the digit with its place value. It is called digit and it is called place value of the particular digit. So this is the answer for your first one. Similarly, we can find the place value of 5. So we write 5 digit itself and multiply with its place value. That is, in which place 5 is situated? 100 place. So we multiply with its 100. And this is the answer of your. We further solve it, we got it 500. And this is your final answer. And here, this is your final answer. 8, 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This is the face value of the 3 and 5 digit. I hope you understand very well. Now we are going to move on next question. Next question is write the expanded form of the following number. It means you have to expand the following digits according to its place value. You can notice the following number is already in appropriate form, that is comma is already present. You have to just place the digit place value number and multiply with according to its digits. So let's move how we can solve. First we have to write these digits according to the following number and we place the digits with its place value name. That is 6 is come under ones, it is come under tens, it is 100, it is 1000, okay, it is 10,000 and it is lakh, it is 10 lakh. Sorry. Now what we should do? Now next we have to always take the largest digit first while you expanding the digit. The largest digit is 3 because it comes under 10 lakh place. So we write down the 3 and multiply with 10 lakh. That is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0. 3, 4, 5 and 6, 0. Then we put additional symbol. Then we write down 1 and multiply with place value. That is 1 come under lakh. So we multiply with 5, 0, 3, 4, 5. Then we again place plus sign. The next digit is 2 and multiply with place value. 2 it's under comes which place? 10,000. So we multiply with 10,000. Then again next digit is 4 and we multiply it with its place value, that is 1000. Then next digit is 0. So we write down 0 and multiply with its place value, that is 100. Plus next digit is 5. So we multiply with its place value, that is tens. And last digit is 6, multiply with 1. So this question is solved fully, that is we have expand the following number in proper format. And how we do it? We multiply the following digits according to its place value and put the additional symbol, so we can form the expanded form of the following number. This is the way to solve any number in expanded form. I hope you got it, so you can solve other question very easily. So now we are going to move on next question, that is write the standard form of 5 lakh plus 2000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 1. That is, it is the inverse process of the previous question. We have to add the following number and form the proper number from which it is derived. That is, simply we have to do addition. How we can do the addition? Like this. First we have to write each number according to this. 0, 0, 0, 600 comes in this place, then 10, then 1. Now we have to do addition of all numbers. What we will get? 1, 1, 6, 2, 0, 5. Now we put the proper comma format and we get the required answer. That is, your answer will be 5 lakh 2611 will be the answer. I hope you got it very easily. Instant when you have to convert any expandable number into standard form, you should just add the following number, and after adding the following number, you will get the desired answer. Okay, I hope you understand. So now we are going to move on next question. Okay, now we move on next question, that is compare each pair of numbers by placing the following sign, it is greater than, less than or equal to. This is your question. What we will do, we first to arrange the following number in proper format. First number is always in proper format, that is comma signal is present. Now we place the comma symbol in its next number, that is after 3 digit we place comma, after 2 digit we place comma, and then we have to place the following digits according to its place value name. That is 9 comes under ones, it comes tens, it comes 100, it is come 1000, 10,000, it is come lakh, it is come 10 lakh, and it is come crore. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. Sorry, it is come under 10,000, 10,000. It is come lakh, and the next one is come 10 lakh. Similarly, this is come under ones, tens, it is come 100, it is come lakh, 100, 1000, it is come 1000, it is come 10,000, it is come lakh, it is called 10 lakh, and it is called crore. As you can easily notice that the following digit has maximum place value is 10 lakh, that is 9, and its maximum value has name crore. So crore is always greater than lakh, so the following number is greater than second digit. It means this number is greater than second digit number. But suppose if one digit if suppose there will be one digit also present, suppose 9, then what we should do? Suppose in the front 9968921 is present, then what will we do? Then both numbers are in proper format, that is its last digit is crore and its last digit will also be crore. How so? In this way, that is 1 tens. That is, we have to place ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Both digit have equal place value. Now we compare first digit to second digit, that is both is 99, that is equal. Now we compare second digit to second digit, that is its 10 lakh place digit and its 10 lakh digit. Now after comparing both digits, we can easily say that this 9 is greater than 6. Then we can say that following number is greater than this number. But in our question, this case is not given. That is, it has one digit less, so we can easily say that this number is smallest than this number. By following this approach, you can easily solve greater than less than question in your exercise. I hope you understand. Now we are going to move on next question. Now we are solving the next question, that is make the smallest and largest number using the following digits. Digits are present, you have to make smallest and greatest digits. So it is very easy to solve smallest digit number. How we get smallest digit number and largest digit number. As you know, if we compare in the following digit, what will be the smallest digit? 0. Okay, smallest digit will be 0. So if you are going to form any number, you should not place 0 in the first place. Why? Because if you place 0 in the first place, then its digit will be short. For example, 1000 is the number. Okay, if you are making the number by placing 0, 1, 0, 0, then it will become 3-digit number, while we have to form 4-digit number. So you should not put 0 in the first place. Remember this. Okay. So to make smallest digit number, we have take the smallest number, that is 1. After that 0. The next smallest digit is 2. Next digit is 3. Next digit is after 3, 5. Then 7. Then 8. This will be your smallest digit number. And to make the largest number, we have to do reverse process. That is, you have to first write on the largest digit first, then smallest, then smallest, then smallest, then smallest, and this will be the. Now you put 0 in the last, 1 and 0, and this is the largest number. So smallest and greatest digit is very simple to make. In smallest digit number, you should always pick the smallest number first, and after that largest, then largest, then largest. And in making the largest digit number, you have to pick the largest digit first, and after that smallest digit and smallest and smallest and smallest. This is the process to make smallest and greatest digit number. I hope you got the following step very well, and I have provided already the answer sheet, so you should write in fair copy. All this solution you should write in fair copy. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you.